Hailed as a significant decision, the US State Department designated Hizbul Mujahideen chief Syed Salahuddin as a global terrorist on June 26. It was widely reported by media as a welcome move and a diplomatic victory as Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Donald Trump met. Or was it just vainglory? Mohammad Yusuf Shah, also known as Syed Salahuddin, not only heads Hizbul Mujahideen but a conglomerate of militant outfits including Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. Hizbul Mujahideen, LET and Jaish have already been designated terrorist outfits by US, EU and India as well. The US had put Hizbul Mujahideen on the list of terrorist organizations in its Pattern of Global Terrorism report of 2003. Also, the US State Department later said there is no change in the US policy on Kashmir, which it sees as a disputed territory. The move further ran into controversy as State Department termed the state of Jammu and Kashmir as Indian-administered Kashmir in the statement. Prime Minister Modi and President Trump meeting, however, resulted in the defense partnership as US cleared the sale of 22 Guardian drones to India, estimated worth $2 to $3 billion. The White House added completion of these sales would increase bilateral defense trade to nearly $19 billion. Since 2008, India has inked US defense contracts for C-130J and C-17 transport aircraft, P-81 aircraft, Harpoon missiles, and Apache helicopters. India, Japan, and the US are expected to conduct trilateral naval exercise Malabar in the Bay of Bengal in July.